What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We are out here at what, Garden at the Flea?
Pop-up San Jose Flea
San Jose pop-up flea market, Garden at the Flea. We're with the homies. We got Manny in the building. We got JC. Hey, dude.
I'm working. Oh,
I'm not, dude. I'm getting yelled at for no reason and flipped off for no reason. You enjoy that $8 mocha frap.
You had one too yesterday.
I know. We got David doing his business. Johnny's girlfriend popped up. Hello. No? Oh, my bad. We got shoes for sale, guys. This is a 2-day event, so this is the second day. I didn't vlog yesterday, but I'm vlogging today. I got posters for y'all if you guys want to slide through. This video will be out late. We got crispy chicken sandwich hoodies, camel snapbacks, shoes, my skateboard, booties, and some Croc charms. Wow. And some shirts. We have it all. So the event didn't start yet. It's gonna start in about it's just opening. 2 minutes. It's just opening. Hopefully today goes well. If I sell like one thing, I'll be happy.
Positive vibes.
Positive vibes. Manny, what do you have on feet? Oh, your charm fell, dude.
Oh my goodness, I gotta fix it. I got the foam runners on.
Foam runners with the Croc charms, courtesy of David.
Yes, Mr. David Cupcakes.
That actually looks super fire. If you guys want to support David, boom, hypebeastrs.com. Comment down below. What do you guys think? I think they look pretty fire with the Croc charms. Good job, Manny. Good job. Oh man, starting off the day kind of rough. What happened, David?
I just want to go home already.
Yeah, what happened?
I'm not happy, dude.
It's okay. We'll cheer you
don't
up.
even like record this.
Okay, I'm not.
Someone was walking by. He stepped on my Croc.
We got a line of Crocs right
Maybe we
here.
shouldn't leave him in the middle.
Maybe
like
we
that.
shouldn't, but I'll clean that for you, okay?
It's what?
I got you.
You have a sneaker cleaner?
Yeah, shopsiltopia.com.
Easy revive.
Easy
Swipe
revive.
up.
Swipe up ASAP. David has like the trail mix Crocs on. Look at these. How? Wait, did these just come out?
No, they've been out.
Really?
They were like a Japan or like Taiwan release.
So you got a little scrunchy thing right here. You can put stuff, maybe a flashlight.
Oh.
Okay. And then you got a holder right here. Oh wow, there's hair on there.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a little dirty. You know what you could clean that with?
What?
Easy Revive.
What is that?
Oh, it's a pen holder right here. Easy Revive, best sneaker cleaner on the market. Oh, this is pretty cool. Where can you get these? Shopsiltopia.com.
Pásale los Croc Charms 2 a 5, 2 a 5. No tenga miedo, por favor, pásale. Man, no one gives shit around here.
You have to be louder, dude.
Pásale los Croc Charms 2 por $5. Sin miedo.
We're about to get kicked out. Didn't even start yet.
Sir, stop resisting. Number 2.
I didn't get that.
I need to
Whose
step on.
idea was this to put those there?
Yeah, that might be a hazard. We should probably we should hang them, dude.
The marshals gonna come. Hey, these Crocs.
I feel like they're not gonna look.
Hang them on that side.
No, yeah, we should hang them though.
Just hang them on that side. Because if you do it right here, like it'll cover like the front.
You're a god.
Is that your phone?
You're a god.
Hey, albums. Chill. Miss you guys.
Hey, Johnny's looking for a Halo Halo
You guys
Xbox.
Alright, don't go crazy on me. I know the retail for him, and the retail's going crazy. But if you guys, any of you, have a limited edition Halo Infinite Xbox that just released, let me know. Let Alex know.
Yes.
In the
No.
comments.
DM him right here.
DM me, yeah.
He'll take it for retail.
Retail. None of that resale bullshit, okay? Crazy animal.
True Xbox fan right
He
here.
only does.
Guys, you would not believe what the...
Steal of the lifetime, dude. Just got some Chicago ones. Oh my gosh. Guess how much? Before I show you, guess how much? Like, you know how much they're going for nowadays, right?
like 800?
Like 900,000, 1,500-ish.
Yeah.
I got them for a steal.
How much you get them for?
1,600.
1,600?
They're brand new. They're brand new, they said.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh!
What?
Wait.
What are those?
Chicago ones.
Chicago?
Chicago.
Chicago ones?
Chicago.
Rockaware.
¿Son Reebok o son Nike?
Where did you get these?
There's a booth who's selling them.
I think you should bring them back, dude.
These are legit.
I can probably go to the eBay booth, get them legit checked real quick, maybe.
I don't think you need to do that. If you guys could smell the smells out here. It smells like tacos.
It smells like hypebeastrest.com.
It smells like shopsotopia.com. Guys, look at this crock that David has as a display. All the kids love it. It's insane. Hello, friend.
So much I love
This is crazy. So I guess this is like a store display. I don't know if you guys could see like the dimensions on camera, but look at my hand.
No, dude.
Boom, look at that, look at that. That's crazy.
This thing is limited.
Maybe like 2.5 feet tall, maybe 3. Insane. How much they go for?
They go for 500.
Dude.
I didn't pay 500 for it though.
I paid for it.
No, I
We
paid
can't say.
less than
Can we say?
4. Comment down below how much did I pay for this.
The right person will get
I'll ship it to you.
a poster
Oh.
and 50 free croc charms from
On
hypebeastrest.com
behalf of Alex after he buys all of them.
for wholesale price. Yeah, let's go. Look,
Yeah.
make it up to you. I'm not recording. Okay. You're looking so hot, dude.
Yeah. Dude, imagine like, thank you by the way.
Yeah.
Imagine you're recording that,
Yeah, that'd be so embarrassing.
but you're not. So
Good thing I'm just your sneaky link.
you look kind of bad today too. Like,
Oh, dude, you're giving me chills.
yeah.
Wait.
What are you doing later? Dude, what the hell?
Oh my. How much are you selling these for? The.
I'm paying someone to take them.
Oh, you should.
How much are you selling these for? Oh.
Same deal. Paying people to take it. Guys, what do you think? Rockaware Chicago's. Oh wow, these feel super light. Will somebody buy these? I don't know. Might be a rough one. How much, David? 15?
No, I think like 10.
$10?
I'll drop it to 5 later on.
Somebody has to buy that. Maybe. Put free. $9.99.
If you're $9.99.
So we're out here, fruit juice. About to get some juices. Strawberry horchata to be exact.
Yeah, shit's gas. If you ever try it, come to the free market, try it.
My homie Francisco put me on. It's a little bit thicker than the norm.
good, though.
It's
It's
nice.
fucking bomb.
I like it. I like the consistency. The consistency. So we're gonna pick this up. $7 for a cup, but it's okay. We're gonna support. Fruit juice. So fresh. So fresh. All right, we got our horchatas. Oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh.
Quick update. It's been maybe like 2 hours. Oh no, it's only been an hour, dude.
Are you serious? Only
Yes.
An hour? Oh shit, my bad.
Yesterday, it was dead the first 2 hours, and then it became. There was a huge wave of people like after that. So we still got
It's-
time. It's still early. We're here until.
Look at the line.
One at a time, please.
One at a time, one at a time. Ice my wrist, ice my wrist. All right, guys.
You guys have an Xbox limited edition.
We already did this.
So what? Let them know.
Oh, the skateboard sold.
Oh, my skateboard sold to David Tomey.
Caesar, if you're watching this.
Caesar, what's good?
Caesar. You know what,
Caesar.
Caesar, we're throwing in the free.
Cesar.
Oh.
Signed poster.
Does he care about that?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, he does?
He loves you. He's your number one fan.
No way, dude. Uh-huh.
He
Uh-huh.
I don't know if he told you, but he saw you eating at Jen once,
Ah.
and he picked up your napkin, put it in a Ziploc bag.
Dude, shut up. Wait, is he buying this out of pity? You told him that I didn't sell anything. Dude! No, I'm putting this back.
No, he really wanted it.
You're just saying that.
He really wanted it. No, seriously.
Do you believe that, Manny? I don't believe it.
Actually, I'm buying it.
Oh.
First pickup of the day. You guys already recognize the box. Travis Scott 6s.
Oh.
I didn't come to this event with intentions to buy anything, as you know, you go to events to make money, not spend money. But Manny, I saw that he had a bag, and I recognized the box right away. This was poking out, so I was like, okay, I know what those are. I know what those are.
Yes.
So he was talking about selling them to another table, but I was like, yo, what if I just bought them, you know?
So now you have them.
So now I have Travis 6s. Gave me the hookup price.
I feel like we already did this, right?
Dude,
Am I tripping?
no,
Is that deja vu?
no.
Because
We
no.
did it for your Instagram story.
Oh, it's for the story. Okay. No, because you were like, okay, buy Croc Charms now because I'm broke.
That was for the Instagram story.
Ah, okay. Well, either way, buy Croc Charms now because he's broke.
Yeah, come support me.
HighBeastRS.com.
Swipe up.
How do you feel, dude? Travis Scott? You feel like Travis Scott now?
I do.
That's what's
Do
up.
it. Don't you open up that window.
Lunchtime. Look at this, guys. We got some birria tacos and we got a tapatio ramen, but they put the consomme in there. All right, I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. David, indulge in your tacos.
Give me 2, right?
Yes, one's for me.
Okay. I know that because it's like you say eat your tacos, but it's like I ordered 2, but there's 3 on the plate. I don't want to be that guy like, David, did you eat my taco?
No, never.
We've all been there, you know. So I'm letting you know prior.
Quick update. It's 97 degrees, 2 o'clock. Just me and the homie David got kicks. I am tired. And it's hot. Like, it's hot. We still got a decent amount of stuff left, not gonna lie. You know, sometimes these events, it could be like hit or miss. So, low-key, in terms of product and stuff, ain't really moving crazy, but I got a chance to meet a lot of you guys, which was pretty cool. And I gave some free stuff out. A lot of you guys said what's up. So, that's dope. I appreciate it. I'll take that. I'll take that any day. Good.
Guys, I just really want to go home. You know, at first time was okay. Second time, the third time they stepped on.
This is like the 3rd or 4th, maybe even
my
5th.
Chicago ones.
With the scuff now. You know what? Just comment down below if you guys want it.
I'll send them to someone.
Yeah. What size are they? Okay. What is going on, guys? We are continuing the vlog. We ended up packing everything, but it's getting interesting now because we're popping up at one of your guys's, our subscriber. He invited us to his gender reveal today, so we're popping up. We've done a couple parties. This is gonna be our first gender reveal. If you guys want to book us, DM or email. Contact info will be down below in the description. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time, man. We're gonna have a great time. They're gonna be revealing this gender within the next 30 minutes. Maybe there's food. I don't know. We're about to find out though.
So this is a homie. Technically, he's not like just like a random person.
No. Yeah.
This guy, I don't know if you guys remember, but maybe 2 years ago, my window got smashed. And this guy at the time also had a Genesis coupe, and he gave me a window for free out of just kindness. And
Super cool of him.
Super cool guy. And I didn't have that kind of money to buy a window at the time. But just super random. Whoa!
Jeez.
But yeah, super dope of him for that. Now we're here, we're friends for life. We're here to join him together at this gender reveal party. So let's go, let's get it cracking. HighBeastRS.com.
Shopsotopia.com. Yes. So a lot of the people that we're friends with now, we actually met because they were subscribers. So maybe one day we'll pop up at your party. Oh wow, Tiffany Mobile. We'll use that at your gender reveal. All right, guys. About to transport there in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see how this goes. Let's do this. Oh, I need to stop playing. Just like that, plate is cleared, ready for number 2. Round 2, let's get it, baby.
Stop capping, dude. This is Alex's like 5th plate.
Dude,
I'm just kidding.
that's big cap.
Big cap. Photoshop a cap on my head.
Cap.
Cap
Cap.
emoji.
You capping. Fire us. Hypebeastwarehouse.com. They're about to reveal the gender of the baby. Comment down below what gender it is.
Now we have to have our own Alex.
Dude,
I'm motivated.
I'm gonna cry. I got the shivers.
I did.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's a boy. So I had to get a blue cupcake, of course, and I wanted to try this. It is a
Sound it out.
Duvalin.
Ooh.
B sabor. I saw Gabriel Iglesias eat this on his top 10 essential snacks, and they had it here, so I was like, yo, let's try it out. It's vanilla and chocolate, and I guess it's kind of like, it's like kind of like pudding? Sure. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Duvalin, if you're watching this video, sponsor the kid.
Me?
Yeah.
Me and then you?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, so it looks like this. And I guess you just, are you a mix it kind of guy or you keep it separate?
I do like one of each separate.
Oh,
and then I
okay,
mix
yeah,
it,
I
you
should
know?
do that. Okay, so trying this out.
Tastes like
That's Nutella,
yeah,
kind of. Okay.
Mexican Nutella.
Mexican Nutella, okay. And then we got vanilla, I think. Tastes like the icing on like a cupcake. What do you guys think? Let me do a double dip. Oh.
Don't swallow the spoon, dude. Dude, stop.
The spoon thing's too hard. How's your cupcake sandwich? Out of 10, I give this 8.
Wow,
8 out of 10.
pretty good.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.